Every radiologist knows this feeling. The images are the easy part. It's the reporting that slows you down. So in this walkthrough, I want to show you two real-world ways RadReport AI handles whatever you give it, even messy, uneven dictation, and turns it into a clean, defensible report. Let's start with the first approach. Right now, I'm dictating without any template, just raw findings, the way most of us think through a case. Positive findings first, then a measurement I remembered late, and a few corrections along the way. Exactly how real reporting feels. Watch what happens when I hit Generate. RadReport AI builds the entire report for me. Technique, findings, impression, all clean and structured. Differentials are added automatically and they make clinical sense. Follow-ups and ACR-aligned logic are handled in the background, so I'm not relying on memory at the end of a long day. And this isn't a template. It's the system taking rough dictation and turning it into something you'd be comfortable signing. For the next few seconds, you'll see me scrolling through the finished report. I'm pressing copy, I'm pressing clear, and I'm saving this report so I can reference it later or reuse it as needed. If I want to paste this into PACS or RIS, it's literally one click. Clean text, no formatting issues. Now let's move on to the second workflow, using a dedicated template. Here I'm loading a CT chest template with one click. Everything is ready, the section headers, the structure, and all the rule-based logic that normally takes extra thought. Now I'm dictating a complex nodule case, multiple nodules, different sizes, some new, some stable, and even including the upper abdomen because that's part of the exam. I'm not being careful. I'm speaking the way I normally do, out of order, with corrections, and letting my mind jump between areas. Watch how the system handles this. When the report generates, every nodule is placed exactly where it belongs in the findings section, grouped logically, described cleanly, and labeled as new, unchanged, or stable when appropriate. The upper abdomen findings are captured in the right section without me doing anything special. Before I move on, you'll see me run the cursor over the template library, the macro options, and the refinement tools, just to show how much control you have if you want to customize or build your own workflow. Now let's look at the bottom of the report. Here you'll see a quality grade. In this example, the system correctly flags that I forgot to include the indication, one of those small but important details that's easy to miss when you're moving fast. So I use AI Refine. I just say what I want to add, in this case the indication, and the system rewrites the entire report cleanly, keeping the structure and tone exactly the same. Now the grade updates to an A. That 2-second correction turns an incomplete report into something polished, consistent, and defensible. Start to finish, both workflows together took around 4 minutes. Individually, they're usually half that. And the goal isn't speed for its own sake. It's reducing the friction between I know what this case is and the report is done. RadReport AI lets you dictate however you think. It handles the structure, the wording, the differentials, the follow-ups, the formatting, and the small details that often slip through. You keep the judgment. You keep the final say. The system just removes everything that gets in your way. If you want faster, clearer, and more defensible reports, without enterprise contracts or IT overhead, this is exactly what RadReport AI is built for.